Welcome to the Special Forces in World War II YouTube channel created by the Special Forces in World War II team. On board the cameraship, preparations are underway for the deployment of a Chariot human torpedo. This innovative craft, marked XS-59 near its tail, is carefully lowered into the water using a derrick. Crew members steady the torpedo as it descends, ensuring a precise operation. The absence of a warhead emphasizes that this is a training and demonstration exercise, showcasing the capabilities of this remarkable underwater vehicle. Once the Chariot is in the water, two divers, clad in protective diving suits and equipped with Sladen breathing apparatus, prepare to board. They descend methodically, securing themselves on the craft as they take control. The Chariot then powers away from the cameraship, its electric motor propelling it smoothly across the water's surface. Performing a series of maneuvers, the Chariot circles near the cameraship, with the divers' heads occasionally visible above the waterline. The craft submerges beneath the surface, demonstrating its ability to operate stealthily before re-emerging in a controlled resurfacing maneuver. After completing the sequence, the Chariot returns to the ship, where the divers climb aboard. They remove their underwater gear, revealing their faces as they discuss the exercise and prepare for the next stage. Here we see another specialized vessel, the Midget submarine X-25. Gliding across the surface of the loch, the submarine is commanded from the deck by its lieutenant. The vessel's sleek design and operational efficiency are on full display as it prepares for a dive. The crew secures the hatches and the submarine raises its periscope before smoothly submerging beneath the water. Close-up shots capture the periscope cutting through the surface, a testament to the craft's precision engineering and its role in covert operations. Back on board the cameraship, the Chariot crew prepares for another deployment of the Chariot. The divers gear up, putting on their Sladen suit and their Davis diving equipment, enabling them to perform underwater operations. Two divers, fully suited, walk along the deck to the Torpedo, now resting securely on its cradle. The absence of a warhead again emphasizes the focus on training and testing. The pilot works the controls, ensuring the Chariot is operational. A crew member adjusts the attitude controls, fine-tuning the craft for optimal performance. The Chariot is lowered into the water for a second demonstration. The divers board the craft and guide it into action. This time, the Chariot operates just below the surface, showcasing its ability to maneuver stealthily while maintaining stability. The craft porpoises through the water, a controlled motion that illustrates its refined design and adaptability to underwater operations. The Midget submarine X-Craft Extant performs a series of surface and underwater demonstrations. Approaching the cameraship, the vessel's name and the distinctive leaping gazelle emblem painted on its deck combing come into view. The lieutenant, who has been commanding from the conning tower, descends into the vessel. As the hatches are secured, the X-Craft Extant submerges gracefully beneath the water. A series of mid- and close-up shots capture its precise movements and controlled submersion. After completing its underwater maneuvers, the X-Craft Extant resurfaces, its lieutenant emerging from the hatch. The crew proudly raises the ensign flag, a symbolic gesture marking the success of their mission. Framed in the hatchway, the lieutenant stands alongside his three-man crew, each displaying the professionalism and teamwork essential to the operation of such a vessel. As the final act, the captain raises the air induction pipe, a vital component of the submarine's design, completing this remarkable demonstration. Thank you for watching the Special Forces in World War II YouTube channel, an unwavering digital fortress committed to preserving the history of elite and specialized units in World War II. Our mission is clear: to provide a comprehensive view of the elite units and formations that played pivotal roles in the Second World War. This extensive dossier includes their frontline battles, innovative weaponry, strategic maneuvers, and the brave soldiers who faced the crucible of combat. The World War II SOF Virtual Museum is our dynamic field operation, continually uncovering layers of historical knowledge. We also maintain outposts on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to enhance our information dissemination. If you possess relevant intelligence to support our mission, don't hesitate to share it with us. Your contributions will be prominently featured in our operational archives. For those willing to provide substantial support, visit our Patreon forward base and enlist. Your backing is crucial to sustaining our mission. Together, let's carry forth this legacy.